Yes, so these are both statues that are fresh off the press. They have been 3D printed just a minute ago. And let's start with Marcus Aurelius. As you can see, there's an engraving, "You have power over your mind." And then we can go up and see that the emperor is wearing beautiful clothes. He also holds papers referring to his writings. And as you can see, he's wearing a beautiful outfit. I'll zoom in on his face as well for a second, so you can clearly see that he is prepared for life. And let's turn him around for a second as well. So even in the back there are several details that are beautiful. And then I will finish this turn and show you some more details. So it's a really detailed statue of Marcus Aurelius. And then let's move over to Seneca, and this has the sentence, "Difficulties strengthen the mind," engraved. It's a beautiful saying. Seneca is barefoot to refer to temperance, which is one of the Stoic values, and he's holding papers to refer to his writings as well. He's wearing beautiful clothes, and you might notice that Seneca is looking older, and this is just to refer that his teachings come from a real life experience. So at that point in life he already experienced some things, so was able to reflect on this in his writings. Turning the statue once again, you can see the details are present as well. I'll finish the turn. Okay, there's some fabric on it because I laid it on fabric, so you can see that the statue of Seneca also have beautiful details and has subtle references to his philosophy. So there you have it. Please back this campaign if you want to have these statues as well. You can print them in any color you want, so just release your own creativity, and I wish you a great day. Thank you.